Yes, so when I can say West Africa school what my penny and I don't quite good for the free SHS no Waban Waba Toma Newman College of Nasia Daruma Emma Kwame and the Kawaja Brawo Tiania Swap for Nebedin Como me member of Parliament NMD Frasia me kwanya but another year kakwasem free SHS was some year can fully Mammy Aquaba. Yeah. But as a Minister of State and I'm as a minister, how do you feel? And a member of NPP and they started free SHS no what you say?
Many aji ankasa me wani GM pa esan se nanka Ghana for bi ese free SHS enye yie na His Excellency the President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo wa kire se oye oman bapa oye osiade yo osiade a oyo enti Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo e di free SHS abreye enkwada nyina krowo embebunu nyina omuko SHS no eye free eye entirely free enti obia eko free SHS eye niji sempa mame se member of parliament.
Yeah, mama na fully general, not a general noun, but once a general, always a general. Neduma danso enti obi enum no yera dambotu akwaba.
Bejoso.
Free SHS alande. Ebe sustainable.
Oh, why not? It is sustainable. As a war battle, also may buy obeying. Empire is over obeying. Maybe obeying papa. Empire is over obeying papa.
NDC doesn't feel say it's sustainable.
Yeah, your mom pie say because the first question is say, I was say, I had papa, Anne. I was say sustaining, Anne. A crab before be sustaining. Yen have a boam and sustaining. They are very simple things.
And I done Kwekuboche, I say, was say sustainable. Yamame Hadia Halima Mahama, local government minister. Mami Akwaba.
Yeah,
no, I don't know. Well, with this free SHS I introduce you. Wakatri, Mamatape. Free SHS I introduce you and year Pahontoma. But and this is me and Kase free SHS, a scholarship and a modern man.
Then a scholarship, free SHS. Says yeah, Uko school, you don't pay anything. And there's the slogan says yeah, Ujore, now Uko classes, and one no. Oh, how would you say? Where's this fees, sports fees, port fees, entertainment fees? Ningina, everyone. And Ningina, no. I have free SHS. Ningina, Yeni
Vice President Abanti, Enche, near Jawa, Papa from Pomboate. Good morning.
Good morning.
Bibia, come and free SHS above.
Ayapa, Yamia Dalma, Yamiasi.
Ebeyajuma.
Ayajman, as I say, Yajman. As I say, cry, the Benuachi. I will phone in any school for Niaje, Ukra Niaje.
Vice President, Dr. Mahamu Mambamia, and Wabano, yet why you come on the show. Now, Honorable Dominic Nitu, Minister of Defense, Operation Vanguard, Chairman. Honorable Akwaba.
Is it?
Who watch it? You're telling us what?
Wherever you are watching at from.
For me, no, I have to say the greatest achievement that I have achieved in my politics is to live it today because Ghana for who say there was nipa or simbeye na sa nipa no oyebi because that was the first promise President Akufo-Addo said maybe, and for him to have achieved that dream, to have become a president, to have achieved that dream, we can only thank God.
Let me ask you, were you scared now? So say you had doubts?
Not the minimum because minimum say or say obey on any part it's not an individual who will deceive you. On any part say baba but that say because me pay 2 minutes me pay some year president but me ka agenda kaka. I was very sure say Ghana for money to me dear also and I'm very proud about it. I'm excited, and I just think this is the first step to our greatness as a people. Step by step. So 10 steps, this is the first step. It's a young person. We should make this succeed. And yeah, MPP and yeah, NDC and yeah, Akufo-Addo and yeah, Obia, we should just make this succeed as a people. Yema, yes, Yehumbe said 30, 40, 50 years time no. Na Ghana for nara I educated. At least I've had an opportunity to be educated. That's my greatest joy. Say by the time me call about me call best channel, I will see every Ghanaian to be like Finland. 99.999% educated, and this is the first step to achieve it. Say a bit my sad year, Ghana will change.
But the amount who bet me to your fees.
Oh, sir, only say school fees need BBA. Only say a ba na like private schools, public schools. We are tempting somewhere, and we'll get somewhere. For me, I'm quite clear in my mind. Say, yeah, my quite there. You bet my but it's a step-by-step program. Yeah, way next year, expanding the year we expanding. Yeah, just crack. And when the people of Ghana understand, say, we a very good program. It's good for themselves. Things will change.
Honorable Martin.
Yeah, now what to say?
I'm yes, President or Yekodro home.
Yekodro home. Any day.
Obetimi aye e be sustained obetimi aye
hey hwe ade we aye nne enne na ni su ade hu na ye PSC e wo se wonim se enti mu nyema ne gosi anka won sha se da wa sha se de ba bi edi beduru bi edi beduru ama na yiye enti wo ta ahon na wo ka no wo ba.
Honorable NDC for say we enye free SHS ye free say po dada nye ne asema kukuru no hu bi na moye
yo omri ajado mu pe no mu ka e ka o mu nkono na ade ana na adu bisi ye ni so no wantimi anye ye de omri na ohwe enipa no amuma eko school no wo mu na eka NDC for ade mako school no we so mu se wo mu ko school a wo mu tue ska na eti omu de ayampia bi no moto eti ye wini awini because nado woye wasi ade ayo woye nso no woye kosi oni ba bi obenye sika wo de be sustain sa program eti mu de mo me no.
It means that we step bi am take am munim sekwan bi aso etumi eye yi a mo betimi de within elections.
Oh ye de aye wi na sa wo ko elections na wo promise di pano na dia our promise one wutimi a e dia tinya to aba ma obi o e be to aba ma because awofo no ato wonum wo mo emre sekane no yanka ne ombekoi inga kombo mia binana bi ko achimota eno ase yeso oduto ofani ne mamra ya wode ne ma eba eti ebetim dia win elections
Dominic Nitiwo ena wo mu jojo no saano Oya Minister of Defense waje ne emomusio ensuo ne pete ebetimi ato o masa kra de umbrella ministers ne so o mo ntiase na ade enko ene ade ye to aso ya ne honorable legacy kesi ama edi nko bono abo wakwa
ya nu amini
emebunu de kan o ministry ho nti we wani ade ye pa medidi
eni jesem pa jebo eni abetu at long last free senior high school Ghana ye saka mabunu tutu ye daach ye dabi ana o manfani etutu ye da mine enti ye de eni jesem pa ade we say o man Ghana obi eni je say the school say pressure go out for so asofo so MPs DC yes obi a wo amano ka say pressure also can na say the school say enti no eni jesem na ba o man Ghana say nya esum e bom pa the tertiary say be adwuma trase afebo na o man Ghana ni babia nya bi
yele ma me eni nkomo kakra ma me akwa ba yete nka hu so ache
ai enu o me de net say
na me try pa ma me asa me ne fina mo de free SHS yara
di asam na wo kan o ma me re kra ho ade kese se ama wo sin kra gumi anopai ade esi Ghana bi nsi da o se ade yo nyame ama na dwene ene akomapa Ghana dana kuma so pa odidi sa adwuma yi nyame na eda nase
Honorable Harry Nedrisu ne wonya adwene
me na eda nase ono me ya adwene pa no waheda pa e propaganda na nsiaga eti no ye nyina ye mfa ye throw ye weight behind the president for a ma ene ye jirima na ye nananom nti na this has come to stay ye da nyame asese ne da ye de aniwa ni papa bi kura hu ne saa na nyame aye adom na ehu ti da nyame ase nyame nhira na ado danko Akufo-Addo the president of the republic ye da nase
free SHS aba na NDC for ni nyi ni se ebe ye adwuma Wama ye ho press conference wama se wama hwe kwan nya nne nti no wama kasa daache asem menim daache kura wama ka ebia minister betere me daache kura wama ka ebia ono so ne wama ya adwen se bia wama ntumi nye
Midas papa ewiase de saa na tie sabi nye nipa nyina na etumi so da ye kase development any anwonwade a yehu a ewo wiase nyina onipa baako na osundaye no every development dey wo wiase bia na onipa baako so na osundaye kase na bam enti obi kase obi ntumi nye bibia na ne daye so president of the republic was sundaye kase enu na yehu no ene na onyame nso ebehira so na bibia ya adwempa no ebekọ so
chief of staff na waba bedru na wone ministers no etwetwe nkomo wonim se asoafo nyina on na chief enti wo mo boss prekope na ba bedru no ye ma me free mo pare aba bedru ka wadwedwumade ne eguso de brawo ye de free was ene de brawo ministry ho adwuma ni ho ene wo mo nyina mo ha mo adwuma ni nyina egu ho
adwuma na bi ne ye eguso say ye support ye nyina ye ho ye nyina ye teamwork enti free SHS nso de eye ebosha somboma MPP pa eno so de mfaso kese ebebre omamu ni nyina nje wo se nyina de ahoden ebataji.
Let me go into your constituency. Nanka members of parliament mutu school fees ka ye bie school by now ka ofie ayema and them so sika nti so de mam na medi anamwa
mame ntonyo ne ya tete fo hwehwe ne ya wonyi narape ne ya wonge ni jina ena enya bei free SHS waba de ahoto abra wofo ama enkwala enya nidaso se omobre no eyi ohienti enya kwa baby a wankasa wuti edu beduro no na nyamnado adankwa Akufo-Addo adanromenti wama ban amfa adisua ho kanyina na me da bia me kansa me maton bidie da enye school am ko ya nkene me nya lawyer ni anye ye de sa kwanya ne maga na ni akola bia obesua de apase enya senior high school emukwan enti omo si entumi nya ne de omo ntra ho no na omo kan de e onde awofo na ahoto ene asumde ema abre won isa nhihye ya MPP aban de abaye de abre won omo de omo nim emwa omamu ni nyina ebenya e wo saa nhihye hu
aban botom ayi
oh se baby iye na baby nso sei enti ne nanka yentumi mfa nhwe university for no ye benya mwa kakra ne de asoho na omo nso so a ewo other issues nso so ya hwe na ye de aboa won nanso anokwa ama MPs ho ato won payi
the Minister of Health and Chotwenkomo Honorable Kwaku Ajibai Melo Honorable Kwaba
ye nua
so ministry o de enye easy sa adwuma
so wonye adwuma ho bi da wo yere hu se adwuma ho
but ye na free SHS
ene free HS
ebetimi aye
yentumi nye se ade ne yefra se wo yentumi nye o ka se health insurance ba no sa na mo kan yentumi nye adi how many years now nipa benefit on it
so but there were challenges
policy be any how we implement any challenges
so we foresee challenges
definitely yes you will see challenges free senior high school in Northern region how many years in it still are challenges in it there are challenges But when you are confronted with challenges, you have a management plan. Donor partner support when you sit down, they will tell you, say, at this stage you will exit. So you have to find a way out the best sustain who practically what are the serious challenges. Because challenges say a theory. Yeah, they are able say challenges, beba. Every crana those challenges will not happen. So you have a backup plan. Say challenges way back. How will you resolve the challenges? That is where when you embrace say what you could do a boundary policy. Now you have to dinner we entry into crime be a befaswa, yebe jumano, yebe faso na yaye. So we started. Let me tell you one thing. Parents na ye trian school fees. Sao do boko form 1. Tinye pa. Only 3 years sikada ho. But o started. Going forward, you adjust yourself, say be a crown 3 years you know being scared to yamano. According to you ni papa na ne mami or shenuwa. It becomes a bigger challenge. Then media over now of 4 album niadi, nam 4 album niadi. So you don't sit down, plan, say 3 years na menya huska and sana medemeba ako school. So that is the spirit nyakukudra dana duenya yedie yadieno. Baseline, we prepared for it, we would do it.
Honorable Herikote, where is the funds?
Funds?
Oh. Economy, must say no.
Almost say it to me yet. And yeah. Say, na ye be NHIS. Okay, almost say any ye. And unyamia dum, yeah. Na emide say Urakufi Adams and Kasawajatum and can force obi enye for Oyu anokwale. So ukura ban who ye fair. No I can say ampan who ye fair. A person Ghana mind TSS, we no find near politics. Esan says, Sebio Obako school, and children in this one moment, and children people on the moment. Say, on Monday, year, then ya die, yes, and yes, go on name of Nipano, your friend capacity, human capacity. Say, bear Dachi Biano, Sa Adriano, Ebema, or Mana ye. Calculation person crofo yen say. So, on my 4 fear. That's every time Bianca out 5 million. A term no a year 20 million and 2,000 Ghana. And to no multiply a year no and no near can 66,000 Ghana about Kutokum. Say, damn be now to me, see, Ubet me see. Say, I didn't be on my edge. Bibiaba na